Farm animals love Brachiaria and alfalfa hay. Not only do they provide satisfaction, they also provide nutritional values such as vitamins A, D, E, K, B1, B2, B6, and also contains protein and calcium needed for farm animals to grow fat, strong, and healthy. Both alfalfa and brachiaria grass can be fed to cattle, sheep, goat, pigs, rabbits, poultry, and even ostriches. Now, feeds are becoming expensive. Farmers are supplementing alfalfa and brachiaria grass into the feeds of their farm animals, not only to reduce cost but to add to the nutritional values that exist in their already made feed. Both alfalfa and brachiaria are grown by broadcasting method. They take 1 week to germinate and then 3 months for maturity. Farmer biara pɛ sɛ ne mmoa enyini ɛyɛ kama. Apart from nnura a ayɛ a yɛde ma ɔmo no, ɔmo aduane nso ɛyɛ very important. Nti na farmers friend time biara yɛtumi advise farmers sɛ ɔmo include alfalfa and brachiaria in the feeds of their farm animals, because the nutritional content alfalfa and brachiaria ɛde ma mmoa no ɛdɔɔso pii. Sɛ wopɛ alfalfa ane brachiaria grass seed ne bi atɔ a, frɛ yɛn wɔ 0548 446959 anaa 05454 77434 so. Yɛyɛ delivery Accra and nationwide.